Hello my YouTube family, how are you all? I hope all are good. Sometimes we can cheat by having kulfi or ice cream in summer, as this is the summer time. So I came up with an interesting recipe called kulfi, which is made up of mango. It is my favorite food in summers. Friends, the recipe is super easy and delicious in taste. As you can see, this is the final output. So let's start and check out the process. Please do watch the video till the end for the final output. And the main ingredients that I have used in mango kulfi are condensed milk, mango and cream. Friends, let us start. You have to take 2 mangoes, and this is the milk cream, 1 glass of milk, condensed milk and cardamom seeds. Let us start. So I have chopped the mangoes and taken 2 glasses of milk and taken out the seeds of cardamom. Now what I will do, I will take a blender jar and then I transfer the milk and all other ingredients into the jar. Friends, I have taken 200 ml of condensed milk. It completely depends on your choice, like how much sugar do you need into the mango kulfi. So you can add up to 120 ml, or if you want you can excess it till 200 ml. Okay, now you need to mix all the ingredients. Now I am adding small amount of cream into it. See friends, I have blended all the mixture into the jar. Now I will transfer the mixture into these 3 cups, transparent cups I have taken, and I will refrigerate all the 3 cups for around 6 to 8 hours. Okay friends, after transferring all the mixture into the cups, one tip is there that you have to cover all the cups with aluminum foil like I am doing. See the process. Friends, when this is done, then the next step is to refrigerate all the 3 cups for 6 to 8 hours into the freezer. After 8 hours, you will see the kulfi is ready. See, I am removing all the foil papers. Now you need to take out these kulfis from the cups. For taking out the kulfi from the cups, you can do 2 alternative ways. Like I have taken this container and I am putting the cups into it. Okay, or else you can do by rubbing the water almost all the areas in the outer part. It will came out after few seconds. That's it friends. See, now we'll transfer the mango kulfi into our plate, and I will cut into the 3 pieces and decorate it as you will see. Friends, now I will spread some amount of chocolate syrup to look it attractive. See, this is our final output friends. Friends, it is looking super yummy and I am not able to control myself. Let me check how it tastes. Yes, it is yum. Really, it's yum. You need to try it for a while, and please comment me in the comment box how you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please like and comment and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the immediate updates. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.